You're not frustrated because things go wrong. You're frustrated because you thought they wouldn't. And that, right there, is where everything begins to fall apart. Most of the time, nothing actually collapses. Your life doesn't fall apart. Your world doesn't end. Things just don't go the way you imagined. Traffic slows down. Someone interrupts you. A conversation shifts. Plans change. And suddenly, your entire state changes with it. Why? Because you created a version of reality in your head that reality never agreed to follow. The problem is not chaos. The problem is walking into chaos, expecting control. We expect things to go smoothly, people to act rationally, life to unfold predictably. But life doesn't follow your script. It never has, it never will. You expect people to understand you, to support you, to celebrate your wins. But the truth? Everyone is caught up in their own life, thinking about their problems, their goals, their struggles. It's not personal, it's just reality. And the moment you truly understand that, it feels like a weight lifted off your chest. A small shift changes everything. Change your expectations. Imagine walking into your day already knowing things will go wrong. People will be unpredictable. Plans will change. Now, when it happens, you don't react. You recognize it, and you adjust. That's the real power. You can't control life, but you can control what you expect. And that changes everything. Peace doesn't come from controlling the world. It comes from no longer being surprised by it. Here's the truth. Nothing actually went wrong. Reality just didn't match the version of it you created in your mind, and that gap, that distance between expectation and reality, that's where frustration lives.